Welcome to Sec Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see CBSE Grade 12 Maths, finding the product of matrices through which we are going to solve the equation. This is a bit interesting question because generally what we will do, we will find the inverse of one matrices through which we are going to solve the equation. But here they are giving another one matrix. You see here 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 3, minus 4. This matrix match with this equation x plus 2y minus 3. 1, 2, minus 3. 2, 3, 2. 3 minus 3 minus 4. So generally we have to find the inverse of the first matrix through which we are going to multiply with the right hand side equation values minus 4 to 11, we will get the x, y, z value. But here the thing is different. What is different is they have given another one matrices. What is this matrix? If it is inverse of this one, then we can directly use that one. But we are not sure whether it is inverse. Second matrix is inverse of the first matrix. It is not sure. How we can confirm it? Multiply two matrices. If we get 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, then second matrix is inverse of the first matrix. If it doesn't come, the product doesn't come 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, if it doesn't come, no problem. We can use, at least it should be the scalar matrix. Then what we can do, this k we can take out. If you take k out, now 1 over k 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 will come. You understand the point? So we have to multiply the two matrices. We will get the value 1 0. We will get either scalar matrix. If you are lucky, we will get one unit matrix also. Unit matrix, if we get it, it is easy to use. Minus 4 to 11 you multiply, you will get the x, y, z value. Okay. To solve this sum, I have one genius student. I am going to utilize him. I will take rest, but I will watch how he is doing. Okay. Zaigam, could you solve this question?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
First say hello to students.
Hello. Okay. So we are going to solve this question. This is okay. Smallest.
Okay.
Now.
Only. You may need copy also, so I took it another second page also. Okay, come here.
Now we will use this matrix. Okay. Let's multiply both them together, and if we are getting like identity or scalar related matrix, then we can find the determinant from that, and then we can take this matrix. Then we can substitute in the equation and we'll get the x, y, z values. Let's multiply. Multiplication. Students, I'm multiplying it over here, okay? Okay. Multiply. Okay. Now, let's multiply. Minus 6. Minus 6. It's 14 into 2 is what? 14 into 2.
28.
28. 7 4 is 28. 28. 28. Plus 15. 30. 45. 45. 45. Okay, this will become more bigger, but it's okay. I can make it smaller. How? minus 6, 17, 13. Then we have to take this down. Multiply this here and then again down you have to go. Minus 12 plus 14 into 3. 14 into 3 is what?
42.
42, right? 42.
Faster.
Minus 30. 6. 6 is 18. Minus 14 into 3. Again 42.
Why 14 into 3? Okay. Minus 18
Just
minus 42.
Yeah. And then plus 60. 60. Then.
Okay. One thing maybe student knows, but always explain how to multiply. Just one. Minus 6, 14. Always second matrix, first column have to be multiplied. Well, how he did it? Minus 16, 14 minus 5 he used and multiplied with second matrix, first column. He multiplied with first matrix, first row, second row and third row.
Yes. We have to do
Okay,
that.
this is he finished. And another one thing, in this type of matrices you have to notice whether you are doing right or wrong. This can be any value, but this should be 0 has to come. If it doesn't come 0, your multiplication somewhere wrong. Okay, generally wrong will come, error will come, so better find out in the beginning itself. See, minus 12 plus 42 minus 30, here it is 0. This is also 0. Okay, proceed.
Yes. So now we have to multiply. We have to take this row now. This row. Multiply with this all the 3 rows. Tick, ting, tick, ting, tick, ting. Okay. Second. This one we have done, beta. Now this one.
Do it.
17 plus 10 plus 10 minus 9 is 9, 8 is 18, 9 is 27, 27. 17 into 2, 34, 34, 34 plus 15 minus 30. No. Sir?
So 34 plus 15 plus 18.
Enjoying the popcorn, right?
Yes. 34 plus 15 plus 18.
15 plus 18.
Yes.
15. Then
And another one thing you please tell that first minus 6 plus 28 plus 45, what is the value?
minus 6 plus 28 plus 45.
What is the value?
So minus
67.
22, 67, yes.
That now 34 plus 15 plus 18, that also should come 67.
Yeah. Then
Okay, that when we multiply, we have to notice that whether it is 67 is coming, same number is coming. Okay, then do it. Okay, it is same number is coming. Faster.
Okay, then 17 into 51. 51.
51.
51 minus 45 minus. Now I'm going to 18 and 9 for 36. 36. Okay, 30, 31. 13 into 1 minus 8 and 16. 16 minus plus 3. Array. 3. Okay, next. This one is done now. This one is done. Now this we are doing. We are doing for this one. This one. 13 and the first row is done. Second row. 13 into 2 is what? 39. 39 minus.
Why 39? 13 times 2 is 26.
26.
Yes, you are going to multiply with the second row.
26. Okay, sorry. 26
Minus 24
24
minus 2. 39. Right.
I thought you were having calculator. Okay. Now 13, 3, 39. Now this is 39. Okay. Minus plus 24 plus 4. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
check it. The third one is also coming 67. Okay.
sir. Now let's add it. Now 30, 30 plus 12. How much? 2.
42. 0,
40.
0.
0. Okay. Next
0.
one. Next one. 0 only, right?
Yes, yes.
But you have
yes.
to check if it is correct or not.
We are doing it, so we have to check it out. If it is not wrong, we then go. No need to do it. While doing, we already checked. 67 0 0. Then 0 67.
27 0. 0. Oh, sorry, not 0. Wait, what is it?
67
67, right? Okay.
0
0
0.
0 24.
Faster. No need to check it out. Already we checked 67.
Now we can write this product of these two matrices also like this. 1 by 67 into 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Dang. That's how we can write this. We can write it like
Yes,
this
yes.
also. Now we are going to use this. Okay, since I said when we are multiplying and we are getting these sort of metrics, like this type of metric we are getting, and we can write this matrix like this also. Then this is our determinant basically. We have got another determinant 67. So now it is easy for us to find A inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by A determinant multiplied with adjoint A.
Not a determinant. It is a 1 by 67. That's all.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. 1 by 67.
Not a determinant. It is 1 by 67.
1 by 67. Adjoint A. Where is adjoint? Here.
Not adjoint A. That is A inverse.
Sorry, that is A inverse. So
Yeah.
we have to multiply. And then
No.
what? I'm explaining it in wrong way.
1 by 67. At A inverse A adjoint A, it is not required.
But you multiply like this?
No, no. That is not required. Okay. Now, we have to find XYZ. XYZ is this inverse 1 2 minus 3 2 3 2 3 minus 3 minus 4 inverse we wanted, and times by minus 4 to 11.
Yes.
This inverse is nothing but
But this is confirmed, right? This is inverse.
yes, this inverse is nothing but 1 by 67 minus 6. What is? Minus 6, 17, 13. Fourteen 5 minus 8. You understand what I am doing?
Yes.
Fourteen 5 minus 8 minus 15 9 minus 1. Okay. Right?
67. 67.
Then multiply with the minus 4 to 11.
Inverse is equal to 1 by 8 determinant.
Listen here. Now multiply it. Okay?
Oh, multiply.
Yes.
Now we multiply this.
Okay.
Now we multiply this.
Yes.
What is this? Multiplication. Okay. X, Y, Z. Okay. 1 by 67 multiplication minus
20 plus 24.
24 minus 7.
No, plus 34.
Plus 30, 34. 34
Plus 143.
43.
Yes.
61. 160.
13 times 11.
161.
No. 143. 13 times 11.
143. Basically what I do, I just switch the numbers position and I forget everything. No. Okay, now 143. Then minus 4. 4 on the 4, 4 to 4 on the 16, 16, 16, 16. You have to be, guys, you have to be very careful when you're multiplying, okay? 4 for 16, 4 also 5, 56, 56. Okay? 56, then plus 10 minus 88. Okay. 60, 9 to 18, minus 11. Okay. This is what I did, sir. I got the answer now.
Which one?
Yes, this is the answer. Now we have to.
No, you did something minus 56.
What?
This like this, if you commit mistake, it will out. Minus 56 plus 10 minus 88 plus 60 plus 18 minus 11. So what will come? 58, 158, 200 and 180, 201. Okay, right? 201 minus 144 minus 134. 67. The BT is all are factors of 201 is factors 67 is factors of all these numbers. So 3 minus 2 1. So x is 3, y is 2 minus 2, z is 1. You substitute here 3 plus 4 plus minus 1 minus 3 equal to 4. We proved. Zygam, you got it clear?